Gonna check what it looks like outside. It's been snowing a little bit last night. And the bushes are frozen solid. It's crazy. It just doesn't snow here. It freezes. Wow, look at the ice on that tree, man. That's a lot of ice. Wow. Everything's frozen shut. Yeah. Ow, ow, ow. That's frozen. That's frozen solid. It's shaking the whole line of bushes. Well, I can't even get into the backyard. All the ice. Huh. Even the trees frozen in the design that the wind was blowing. That's crazy. Let's check out the backyard. Ooh. It's chilly outside, man. Ooh. Crunchy. So I've been hearing noises at night, something brushing against the house. And I think it was just these branches. They're frozen solid and they're scratching. Look how the ice has weighted down these tree limbs. That's a good bit of ice that are coated on all the branches. You can just see it breaking as I just put a little bit of pressure on the limbs. Wow. It's just weighted down with all this frozen water. Sometimes you forget how heavy water truly is. It is a pretty dense liquid. just the weight of it has just held these tree branches all the way down. Wow. That's crazy. Woo. So welcome to 2017. Wow. Oh, it's broken. Wow. Can't believe. So frozen it just breaks right in your hand. Crazy. He's holding on for dear life. Cool. So it's not like your traditional snow, where it's nice, soft, and fluffy. It's hard and cracked, and it cracks underneath your feet. Yeah, I definitely got some limbs that fell down. Weight of this bad boy. Well, luckily the trees are not leaning directly over my house, so that's a good thing. Guess you birdies didn't fly far enough south for the winter. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. This is wintry. Hold on to the rail this time. This is all just a sheet of ice. Boo! I better not stand on here. It is cold outside. Coolio, coolio, coolio. It is a winter wonderland. Wow. Oh no, I broke off my bush. Can I trim the hedges? Crack. Ooh. Wow. Gotta be careful. careful not to slip and fall again. Well, at least we got to see a little bit of snow, even though it is mostly ice. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Man, this is crazy. The whole bush is just frozen solid. I guess I should have salted my sidewalk. Yep, kids, it is a winter in Georgia. Those poor birds. Yeah, it's cold. Good luck, buddies. Yeah.